Okay, we got a jet bandsaw here. It's a model VBS-1408. It's got a 1 horsepower single phase motor. It's just 110. Just a regular outlet plug-in. It's got a welder. Give you all the specs on it here in the write-up, but it's got a work light. Let's see, we got a little piece of banding in the welder here. You can see it heats up. Oh, I gave her too much, it blew it, but the welder does work, you can see that. It's got a grinder. That works. It's got a blade cutter. It's got a little annealer on there too. That little red button in the middle there is the annealer. So there you go, a little jet bandsaw. I think it's a 14-inch capacity, but like I say, I'll get you the specs on it and the write-up.